regional municipality of York is located in the heart of the Greater Toronto Area in southern Ontario and is the only GTA region without direct access to Lake Ontario. York Region is comprised of 9 municipalities covering 1,776 square kilometers. These features enhance the quality of life for the region's residents. On a daily basis, approximately 100,000 passengers commute and utilize the York Region Transit bus system. York Region Transit requires a reliable technology that supports rapid communication.
So when the York Region Transit started looking for a solution, a network-centric system to provide mass notification to the public, that's when we thought nothing can bring this solution and technology at the forefront as good as the AtlasIED system can. Hence, with the help of the phenomenal team and the expert engineers at AtlasIED, we're very proud to bring the GlobalCom enterprise solution to the York Region Transit.
AtlasIED is a pioneer in large, complex public address system oriented for the transportation market. We've been working with the York Region here to provide a solution for their passenger information system on the audible side that would be both future-proof and backward compatible. We started to work with the region here over 10 years ago in providing them with the first set of stations as they opened up their rapid bus transit system. The York Region Transit, just like any transit authority in the world, need to be able to communicate irregular operation, closure, breakdown, service interruption, any kind of changes due to any unforeseeable event. They must rely on a reliable and trustable system to provide information in an intelligible manner.
Attention all passengers. There is a service delay on Highway 7.
The AtlasIED GlobalCom system is very scalable and can easily accommodate expansion to the existing system. And that is something we take pride of as leaders for such a high-end technological infrastructure and be part of the team that brought a solution to the public within the York Region Transit. In such a beautiful, growing metropolitan city, providing leadership to transit technology across Ontario and Canada.